Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the tools that power your digital artistry. Today, we're tackling a classic showdown: Adobe Illustrator versus Adobe Photoshop in 2025. If you're a beginner designer or a seasoned pro wondering which software to pick for your projects, stick around. This video will clear things up in just a couple of minutes. First off, let's start with Adobe Photoshop. This powerhouse has been the go-to for photo editing since the 90s, and by 2025, it's even more advanced with AI-driven features like enhanced neural filters and automated retouching. Photoshop is all about raster graphics, meaning it works with pixels to manipulate images. Think of it as your digital darkroom for editing photos, creating collages, or designing web mockups. It's perfect for tasks that require detailed pixel-level control, like removing backgrounds or adding special effects. On the other side, we have Adobe Illustrator, which excels in vector graphics. Unlike pixels, vectors are made of paths and shapes that can scale infinitely without losing quality, ideal for logos, icons, and illustrations that need to look sharp on everything from business cards to billboards. In 2025, Illustrator boasts improved AI tools for auto-tracing and generative design, making it easier to turn sketches into polished artwork. It's vector-based, so you won't deal with pixelation, and it's great for creating scalable designs that adapt to any size. Now, let's get to the key differences. Photoshop is raster-focused, so it's best for photo manipulation and complex compositions, but it can get blurry if you resize images too much. Illustrator, however, is all about precision and scalability, making it superior for logos, typography, and illustrations that require clean lines. In terms of integration, both are part of the Creative Cloud, so they play nicely together. For example, you might design in Illustrator and import it into Photoshop for final touches. So, when should you use each? Go for Photoshop if your project involves photography, digital painting, or any pixel-based editing. Choose Illustrator for branding, vector illustrations, or anything that needs to be resized without quality loss. In 2025, both tools have received updates for better collaboration and performance, but remember, they complement each other rather than compete. Thanks for watching. If this helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. What's your favorite Adobe tool? See you in the next one.